Happy Monday. First things first, if you haven't checked out this week's summative assignment, make sure you go and do that. It's a speech. So we're going to give a speech about some of these other civil rights movements, but we're going to step away from the African American civil rights movement, and we're going to focus on some different groups and their fights and their struggles for equality. So what we're going to have you do, check out, there's a video. Mr. Bagman did a great job of explaining it and providing examples. So I linked his video in with the instructions, and we'll be doing that on Flipgrid. Please let me know if you can't get Flipgrid to work or something. We'll have you record on your phone and email it to me or something like that. But try to use Flipgrid. That'll be easier for everybody involved. And so check that out. That is due on Friday. What we have for you today, today's formative assignment is you're just going to be watching 5 minutes from a crash course. You can watch all of it. You don't have to. So I have it linked. It's from 8 minutes and 20 seconds to 13 minutes and 20 seconds. So just 5 minutes of the video. It's this one over here. And what you're going to be doing is John Green will be talking about some struggles for the Latino people, American Indians, the LGBTQ community, the environmental community, and the American feminist community. So what you'll do is you will write a sentence or two describing what the struggle looked like for those. And that's what I have for today. If you have any questions about the summative or about today's assignment, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.